Hello, baby.
Hello.
Can you tell me some road transport, which is the land transport? What are the transport you have in your hand? Do you have any land transport in your hand? Show me.
Yeah. Here I have bus and car.
These are?
Land transport.
And these run where?
In the road.
Oh. And do you have any water transport with you?
Yeah.
Show me. This is a yacht.
Yeah.
And where does yacht run?
In the river.
In the river and sea. That means these are water transport.
Yeah, these are water transport.
Show me how does it move?
It moves like this.
Oh, wow. Nice, nice. These are?
Water transport.
Yeah. And which is the public transport, baby?
Public transport.
Yeah.
Public transport. These are public transport.
The bus is public transport?
Yeah.
Why it is public transport, baby?
It is public transport.
Because many people travel together.
Yeah.
All the public can access this transport while traveling one place to another place.
One place to another place.
That's why it is called public transport.
Public transport.
Where many people
When many people
travel together
travel together.
and everybody can access that transport. Like on bus, everybody can ride. If you want to go to some place, you can ride a bus.
Yeah.
And if anybody else want to go, they can also ride a bus.
Yeah.
That means that is a
Public transport.
yes. But
But
what is called personal transport?
what is called personal transport?
Personal transport, like Jenika's daddy has a car.
Jenika's daddy has a car.
That car who use?
Me.
You only use that car, right?
Yeah. Right.
But all the roadside people, all the people who are traveling in the road, they can access that car. The other people whom you don't know, they can access that car. Other people whom you don't know, they can access your car. You will allow them to sit in your car if you don't know that person.
I know that person who will sit in my car.
You know those person who will sit in your car, right? Like your friends, your mama, your family. Only they can sit in your car, right? Stranger cannot sit in your car, right? You will not allow the stranger in your car, right?
Yeah, I will say.
Stranger people cannot.
I will say to stranger, you are not allowed in the auto.
Auto they can access. Auto is a public transport. Stranger can take auto. But can a stranger sit in your car, in your personal car? Can they sit? No, right? So car is your personal car, your personal transport, right?
Yeah, but you are saying like ma'am. See? No, right? Like that you are saying like ma'am.
Because this time I'm not your mom. I am your ma'am only.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So Janika, which is public transport? Where anybody can access that transport to move one place to another place. That is called public transport. And personal transport, where only you and your friends, your mama, your daddy, your friends, relative, they can access that transport, right? That is your personal transport.
That is my personal transport.
Yes, we have two kinds of transport, public and personal.
Public and personal.
Yeah. What is in your hand, Jainika?
Train.
Train is a public transport?
No.
No?
Yeah, it's public transport.
It's a public transport. Why it's a public transport? Because many people go in the train. Some people maybe we know, some people we don't know. All the people in our country or out of our country, they can access the train, right? To travel one place to another place, right? So train is a public transport. And where does the train run? Show me. Insert it on the track. Train always run in railway track.
Railway track.
Yeah, insert it on the railway track, baby. Take it near you. Take it near you and insert it on the railway track.
How can?
You check it out, baby. It cannot go from here. There is no cut at this side. This is the cut, na? So you have to insert your train from there. Oh my God, where is the engine of the train? Yeah, this is the right way to insert. It's not going because it is not fixed on the board. That's why it's not going. Anyways, now it will go. Chuk, 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 chuk. So now we know several kind of transport.
Yeah.
Land transport.
Land transport.
Like train.
Like train.
Car.
Car, bus, scooty.
These are land transport.
Land transport and
Water transport. Yacht, boat and ship. And one more way of traveling is air transport.
air transport.
When you go to Nani Badi, how does you go?
Aeroplane.
Yeah, that is a public transport.
Public transport.
Many people fly together, right?
Many people fly together.
But which mode of traveling it is? It's a air mode.
It's an air mode. See, your aeroplane is flying.
Aeroplane is flying and Jainika is going to Nani Badi.
See, my hand is like aeroplane.
Is it like aeroplane?
Yeah.
Okay.